Ever wondered why mechanical engineering is so vital to a country like India? It's because this field plays a critical role in the country's industrial growth and infrastructure development. With a broad spectrum of industries, including automotive, aerospace, energy, and manufacturing relying heavily on mechanical engineering, it's no surprise that India is investing heavily in cultivating this skill set. The mechanical engineering courses in India are meticulously designed to equip students with a comprehensive understanding of the field. They delve into a variety of topics from thermodynamics and fluid mechanics to materials science and design. But theoretical knowledge is just one part of the equation. To be truly job-ready, students need to acquire hands-on experience through internships, projects, and practical workshops. A significant part of this practical knowledge involves getting to grips with industry-standard software such as computer-aided design and computer-aided manufacturing, or CAD/CAM for short. This technology enables engineers and designers to create, modify, analyze, and optimize products and manufacturing processes. In fact, proficiency in CAD/CAM software like SolidWorks and AutoCAD is becoming a prerequisite for many mechanical engineering roles. Take AutoCAD, for instance. This software provides a comprehensive set of tools for drafting, detailing, and annotation, allowing users to create precise 2D and 3D drawings and models. It's widely used across various industries, from architecture and construction to engineering and manufacturing. Then there's SolidWorks, another popular CAD software. It offers a user-friendly interface and a robust set of tools for product design and development. With features like parametric modeling and assembly modeling, SolidWorks enables engineers to create complex 3D models and simulations. But being job-ready is not just about mastering the technical skills. It's also about networking and staying updated with the latest industry trends. The world of mechanical engineering is always evolving, and to stay ahead, one needs to be on the pulse of these changes. In recap, the importance of mechanical engineering in India cannot be overstated. The country's mechanical engineering courses offer students a comprehensive understanding of the field, from theoretical knowledge to practical skills. Mastering industry-standard software like CAD/CAM and staying updated with industry trends are key to becoming job-ready in this dynamic field. Remember, it's the combination of these elements that will equip budding mechanical engineers with the tools they need to thrive in the job market and contribute to India's industrial growth and infrastructure development.